How's it going, everyone? James here from JDM Racing. Now look, over the last few years we've been turning up with a few different drivers, a few different cars, and this year I'm excited to announce who we've got behind the wheel. Making a return is Jeremy Slamet in his 2JZ Supra. We also have Luke Fink coming back to compete in the pink S13 LS powered, and we also have Jeff Jones coming down from America to jump in our LS Turbo 180SX. We're extremely happy to have Jeff down for round 1 and 2, and keep an eye out for who we've got coming for the next round. Also, big news once again. We've been working on a project in the shed for the last 6 months. We have ended up building a Nissan S13 monster truck. LS powered on methanol, powered by Link ECU. We're excited to bring it along to Mount Smart, Manfeild, and the grand finale, Baypark. Come for a look around and I'll show you what we've got. So make sure you come on down to Mount Smart, Manfeild and Baypark to see some car crushing fun with this truck behind me.
Mark your calendars. D1NZ 2025, a season you won't forget.